Hello everyone, this is Tripti, your German language trainer. So in this session, we are going to learn the country names with their capital cities in German language. So let's start. First, learn the how what the country or the capital city is called in German. So a country which is singular is called Land. This is not land. A gives a sound of a, so this is Land, and its article is das, so which is neutral. So das Land, which is singular. So this is a country, and if it's plural, the countries are called Länder. The Länder in German, and the capital city which is singular is called Hauptstadt. This is, and its article is the, which is feminine. The Hauptstadt is called capital city which is singular, and if it's plural, the capital cities, so these are called Hauptstädte, the Hauptstädte in German. Okay, now come to the list of countries and with their capital cities. So land, here on the left side you can find the countries with their English meanings, and the on the right side you can find the capital cities in German with their English meanings. Okay, first country we have Indian. Indian is India in English. Indian, which is in German, and its meaning in English is India. So its capital city is Neu Delhi. This is, please pay attention to the pronunciations and spellings here. Neu Delhi. This is Neu Delhi, which means New Delhi. Okay, then second country we have Deutschland. This is Deutschland, which means Germany, and its capital city in German is Berlin. Berlin in German, and Berlin in English. Then the next country we have Poland. Poland means Poland. This country, and its capital city in German is Warsaw. This is Warsaw, and in English is Warsaw. This is Warsaw, or Warsaw, or Warsaw. You can pronounce anyone. Okay, the next country we have the Schweiz. The you can we have to use the article with this also. So the Schweiz, not only Schweiz, the Schweiz, the Schweiz, which means Switzerland. Switzerland in English, and the Schweiz in German. So its capital city in German is Bern. This is Bern, and similarly in English also Bern. This is also Bern. So next country we have the USA. This is the USA again. We have to write the article also. The USA, which means USA, and its capital city is Washington DC. This is DC is the District of Columbia. Washington DC is District of Columbia, and similarly in English again this is same, Washington DC, which is Washington District of Columbia. Okay, then next we have Österreich. Österreich, which means Austria, Austria, and in German its capital city is Wien. This is Wien, and in English this is Vienna. This is Vienna. Okay, move to the next country we have the Turkey. Again we have to write the article also with this, as similar to Schweiz and USA. So the Turkey, which is Turkey, and its capital city in German is Ankara. This is Ankara, and in English is Ankara. In English is Ankara. So next country we have Grecian land. Grecian land, which is Greece in English, and its capital city in German is Athens. This is Athens, and in English is Athens. This is Athens in English. Then the next country we have Italian. Italian, which means Italy in English, and its capital city, spelling is bit different, but pronunciation is same. In English and German both are Rome. This is Rome. So next country we have Portugal. This is Portugal in German, or Portugal. You can pronounce it Portugal as well, and which is Portugal in English, Portugal, and its capital city in German is Lisbon. This is Lisbon or Lisbon. You can pronounce anyone, and in English is Lisbon. This is Lisbon or Lisbon. Anyone. The next country we have Rusland. Rusland means Russia. This is Russia in English, and Rusland in German. And its capital city in German is Moscow. This is Moscow. And please pay attention to the spellings here. A bit different, but pronunciation is same. Moscow in German. Again, same. Similarly, in English is Moscow. And next country we have China. This is China, which means China, and its capital city in German and English are similar, which is Beijing. This is Beijing. So next country we have Japan. J gives the sound of Y, so this is Japan in German, and in English is Japan. So its capital city pronunciation and spellings are same. So Tokyo in German and English both, Tokyo. So next country we have England. This is England in German and England in English. Then its capital city in German is London. This is London, and English is London. This is London. Okay. The next country we have Frankreich. Frankreich. So Frank means French, and Reich is kingdom. So French kingdom, which is France. So Frankreich in German and France in English. Then its capital city in German is spelling is same, pronunciation is a bit different. So in German, this is Paris. This is Paris in German, and Paris in English. Paris in English. The next country we have Spanian. Spanian means Spain. Spanian means Spain in English, and Spanian in German. Then its capital city in German is Madrid. This is Madrid, and in English is Madrid. This is Madrid. So next country we have Australian. This is Australian, order Australian. You can pronounce anyone. And in English is Australia. This is Australia. And its capital city in German and in English both is same. That is Canberra. This is Canberra. So then next country we have Ungarn. This is Ungarn, which is Hungary, which is Hungary in English, and Ungarn in German. And its capital city in English and German is in both the languages same. That is Budapest. This is Budapest, or Budapest. You can use anyone. Okay, next country we have Sweden. This is Sweden, which is in German, and Sweden in English. Sweden in English. So its capital city in German is Stockholm. This is Stockholm, and in English is Stockholm. This is Stockholm. L is silent in English. Stockholm. Okay. The next country we have in German is Denmark. Das ist E is a, so Denmark, and in English is Denmark. This is Denmark. So in here the spelling is bit different, but the pronunciation is same in English and German, both the languages. So this is Copenhagen. Copenhagen in English you can also pronounce as Copenhagen. This is Copenhagen, but in German and in English we pronounce it similarly like Copenhagen. This is Copenhagen, and spellings are bit different. Just we are using K here in German and C in English here. Okay. Now next country we have this is Thailand. This is Thailand, and English is Thailand. This is Thailand, and the spelling of both these capital cities and pronunciation is same in both the languages. This is Bangkok, and you can pronounce in German Bangkok as well, and Bangkok also. Okay, so next we have then next we have here is Pakistan. This is Pakistan in English and in German both. This is Pakistan, and its capital city is also pronunciation of and spelling also in both the languages same like Islamabad. This is Islamabad. Okay, then next country we have Bangladesh. Pronunciation of in both the languages is same, Bangladesh, but in German you can see this difference here in this spelling. We are using SCH here, and in English SCH only. Okay, and you can also pronounce it as in German Bangladesh, or Bangladesh in English and German both. And here the capital city is spelling of the capital city, and the pronunciation is same, that is Dhaka. That is Dhaka or Dhaka in English and German both. Okay, the next country we have that this is Canada. This is Canada or Canada in German, and Canada in English, and Ottawa. This is capital city in German, Ottawa, and in English is again this is Ottawa or Ottawa. You can pronounce in English. Okay, then next country we have Egyptian. This is Egyptian in German, which is Egypt in English, Egypt. And its capital pronunciation of capital city is similar in English and German both. This is Cairo. In both the languages, Cairo, but the spelling is bit different. Here we are using K in German and C in English. The next country we have Brazilian. Brazilian, which means Brazil. Brazilian in German and Brazil in English. Then its capital city is similar in German and English both. This is Brasilia. Brasilia. The next country we have their Iraq. This is there. We are using article here. Their Iraq. So this is in German and in English this is Iraq. And capital city of in both the languages same, but spelling is bit different. Please pay attention here. This is we are using DAG and that is Baghdad. Baghdad in German or Baghdad in German, and in English similarly pronunciation is same Baghdad, but the spelling is bit different. We are using GH in between here in English. Okay, so next country we have then Ireland. This is Ireland in German and Ireland in English. And its capital city is similar in both the languages, that is Dublin and Dublin. Okay, next country we have Belgium. Belgium in German and Belgium in English. And here the pronunciation of its capital city in both the languages is same, like Brussels. This is Brussels and this is also Brussels. A bit different, like in spellings. So this is Brussels and in German and in English is Brussels. Brussels and here Brussels because we are using u umlaut here, and we are this is without u umlaut in English. So next country we have Afghanistan, and also the last country. So this is Afghanistan, and similarly in English also Afghanistan. In German and English both similar, Afghanistan, and its capital city is also similar in English and German both the languages. This is Kabul, and this is also Kabul, and pronunciation and spellings are similar, Kabul and Kabul. Okay, so hopefully you have learned the country names in German along with their capital cities. So let's meet in the next session. Thank you so much, everyone.